Exercise 4.3 in question 1, sub-question 3, construct parallelogram here HEAR. HE equal to 5 cm, EA equal to 6 cm, angle R equal to 85 degree. So let's draw a rough diagram first. It is a parallelogram. So let's name the parallelogram here HEAR. Then let's write the given measures. HE equal to 5 cm. HE equal to 5 cm. EA equal to 6 cm. Then angle R equal to 85 degree. Actually, what condition in this exercise? When two adjacent sides, that is HE and EA are adjacent sides. When two adjacent sides and three angles are given. Two adjacent sides are given, okay, but three angles are not given. But we can find the angles because this is a parallelogram. In chapter 3, we learnt about the properties of parallelogram. What are the properties? Opposite sides are parallel as well equal in length. So if HE equal to 5 cm, RA also 5 cm. Likewise, EA equal to 6 cm, so HR equal to 6 cm. Then about angles, opposite angles are equal. If angle R equal to 85 degree, angle E also 85 degree. So what about angle H and angle A? Then another property we apply here. Adjacent angles form supplementary. If angle E is 85 degree and angle H will be another angle. If you add these two angles, you can get 180 degree. Or even like that also we can try. If you add angle E and angle A, you will get 180 degree. That is, adjacent angles form supplementary. So if you know one angle, to find the another angle, you can subtract from 180 degree, take away 85, you get 95 degree. What property are we applying? Adjacent angles form supplementary. Now we just add these two adjacent angles, you get 180 degree. So if H is 95 degree, angle A also 95 degree. By applying, opposite angles are equal. So see children, now we received the required measures. Now we can go for the FAR diagram. So let's draw HE 5 cm. Join HE 5 cm. Then now we can construct vertex R or vertex A because the required measures are there. To get the vertex R from H 95 degree, an angle to be constructed. Then the side 6 cm, one arc also can be done. So now let's draw 95 degree using protractor only. So keep the center of the protractor on H. And which side are you adjusting? The baseline of the protractor. Are you adjusting the left hand side or right hand side? We adjust right hand side only. So you are adjusting the baseline of the protractor and the line HE must coincide. So right hand side only. Then we begin from 0, that is inner scale. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95 only, no? So 91, 92, 93, 94, 95. See, you may make mistake here. You can keep 95 here also, wrong. That's why I'm telling you, just adjust the baseline. And from which side should you move? Should you move from right hand side 0 or from left hand side 0? That is, should you use inner scale or outer scale? That is very important when you use protractor. So 95 degree you are constructing on edge, and you adjust the baseline of the protractor, that is right hand side. Then you have to move from right hand side of 0, inner scale, and when you move from here 90, then you are moving from this side only, no? So 91, 92, 93, 94, 95. So you keep here only. So this is 95. So let's join these edge and the point we received. Let's extend. So this is angle 95 degree. So now to get the vertex R, we drew an angle 95 degree. Then we need an intersecting point to know what we can do. 6 centimeter. Let's measure 6 centimeter. Yeah, this is 6 centimeter. So from edge, let's make an arc with 6 centimeter. And this intersecting point only R. This intersecting point only R. So now we need vertex A. We need vertex A. There are two ways available. Either because to get the vertex A, from R 5 centimeter, from R 5 centimeter one arc, and from E 6 centimeter another arc you can make, then you will get vertex A. Or otherwise from E, an angle 85 degree can be constructed. From E we can construct an angle 85 degree. Then again the arc 6 centimeter, from E 6 centimeter, that is also possible. We can make different way. Anyhow we will get the perfect diagram. So now let's do that. From R one arc with 5 centimeter, and from E another arc 6 centimeter. So this is already 6 centimeter. So from E also we are making 6 centimeter arc. Then from E, that is EA 6 centimeter, then from R, A 5 centimeter, from R 5 centimeter. So this is HE 5 centimeter, no, because opposite sides are parallel as well equal in length. So from R 5 centimeter. Now you received the intersecting point, which is A. Now let's join AE. Then RA. That's all. So now we received the parallelogram here. Let's measure, let's write the lengths and angles. 95 degree, this is 5 centimeter, and this is 6 centimeter. See, you can confirm whether this angle E is 85 degree or not. Keep the center of the protractor on E, and which side should you adjust? Should you adjust left hand side or right hand side? Left hand side only, because angle is forming here only, this side, left hand side. So let's adjust the center and the baseline of the protractor. Then let's start from this 0, left hand side 0, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Correctly the line is appearing on 85 degree.